Bro, when you think fashion, what's the first thought that pops into your head? Who dresses well? Women. You have definitely seen a woman on the street more than once, dressed insanely well, looking super sexy. And what if I told you that the things women do to look good, to look sexy, to look feminine and stylish, you can steal and use for yourself to look more masculine, more stylish. And to be clear, this is not about wearing women's clothes. It's about the rules, that little tricks women use, and as a man, you can use those same principles to look 10 times better. That's exactly what this video is about. And the very first thing is highlighting your most attractive features. Like, bro, women are absolute masters at this. Like, tops that emphasize the chest, or pants that emphasize the glutes. Sometimes you'll see an off-the-shoulder style top that emphasizes the shoulders, or heels that visually lengthen the legs. And the very same thing happens with high-waisted pants that visually lengthen the legs. Like, bro, you think women do that by accident? Of course not. And the same way, women highlight their cleavage, you can use to highlight your chest, your shoulders, your back. The same way, women highlight their legs, you can highlight your arms. Same way, women highlight their ass, you can basically highlight your ass too. Because women notice men's ass way more than you probably think they do. And another thing that you can steal from women is toning down revealing pieces. And what I mean by that, like, notice how you have probably seen this, a woman has a very revealing top, but she throws a blazer over it, or a cardigan, or anything that softens how revealing it feels. And look what that does. With the top layer on, like a blazer or a sweater, she looks totally normal. But when she wants to look sexy, she can do that just by taking it off. And suddenly, it has that wow effect. Now look, if she walked around in just the top, which does happen sometimes, you'd just think she's dressed revealing. But because she can mix inside one outfit a normal stylish look and then a sexy revealing look, it creates that wow effect. Bro, you can do the same thing. You can pair a tank top with some kind of top layer, a shirt jacket, a cardigan, a lightweight jacket. When you're wearing the top layer, you just look stylish, masculine, put together. But when you want to show a bit more body, you just take the layer off and you don't look like a guy who's just walked out in a tank top. You look like a guy who knows exactly what he's doing. And honestly, as a man, you got a bit easier job here, I would say, because you can use the same exact mechanism inside one single piece of clothing, basically. The perfect example is bottom-up shirt. If you unbutton one button, maybe two, it just looks cool. But when you need to look sexy, you unbutton one more or two more, and suddenly the whole vibe of the shirt changes instantly. Suddenly it goes from more formal to less formal, more relaxed, more sexy. That's the whole point. Bro, steal these moves from women and start using them yourself. And it actually flows us into the third thing you can steal from them, because what is the point of dressing revealing or showing more skin in general? There have been a lot of studies that clearly show the more skin you show, the more the body reacts, whether it's a woman or a man. Because as humans, we don't react to clothes, we react to bodies, biologically. So basically, the more you show, the more attractive you usually are. And to be clear, it's not about going extreme. You can't walk out naked, obviously. It won't land well. If you don't believe me, try it. But look how smart women are with it. How they sneak it in with tank tops, with tight dresses that reveal a lot, with short shorts that highlight legs. And bro, you can do the exact same thing. For example, you can wear a fitted t-shirt that highlights and shows your arms. You can roll your shirt sleeves so it emphasizes your forearms. You can wear fitted shorts so it highlights your glutes. And another thing that you can use is a contrast rule. It means you pick outfits that contrast with your skin tone. So if you have lighter skin, you wear darker clothes. If you have darker skin, you wear lighter clothes. Because that contrast does two things basically. First, it makes your skin stand out, which, like I said, is attractive. And second thing, it grabs attention. Because as humans, we know this contrast. Contrast is what pulls our eyes in. Look at these two photos. It's the exact same outfit, but on the one side you have got a darker skinned Latina, and on the other side you have got a white girl. Now look how much better the white fit pops on the Latina, because her darker skin creates stronger contrast with the white. And that's exactly what I mean. Vlog's over, sorry, but you can still watch more. Maybe you could watch this one, or maybe you could watch this one. This one is actually pretty good. You should watch this one. Well, actually, you know what? This one's pretty great too. You should definitely watch this one. You know what? Actually, this one is pretty good too. Maybe try watching both at the same time. Maybe try clicking like both.